How to log into your Walmart employee account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of TechU. If you are an employee of Walmart and if you want to log into your account, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can. Now before I move on and show you, subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you are notified for more videos that we post. First of all, open up your web browsers and search for one.walmart.com. This is the portal for employees and associates of Walmart. Through this section, you can do things such as schedule your work, report absence, you can adjust your time, and bunch of other things. To log into your account, click on the login button that you see on the top right. Once you click on login, you can see this login box. Now firstly, you'll need to type in your user ID. This is the user ID that is given to you by Walmart, so make sure you type it in correctly. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in. So type in the user ID and select your country or region. And lastly, you need to select the location where you work. So for example, if you work on home office, you can click on the home office option or any other location that you work on. And once you select it and type in your user ID, you can click on sign in, and if the entered details are correct, you will be successfully logged in to an employee account of Walmart. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to be soon back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.